Hello friends, welcome back to our Agile Management series. In today's video, we would talk about the acceptance criteria in an Agile story and how do we define those. In Agile, acceptance criteria are a set of predefined conditions that are supposed to be met for before we can mark a user story as complete. Normally, these are framed by the product owner for the story in the product backlogs. They are also called sometimes as definition of done because they define the scope and requirements of user stories. Few pointers to keep in mind before an acceptance criteria is defined. First, acceptance criteria should be testable. Second, criteria should be clear and concise. Third, everyone can easily understand the defined criteria. Fourth, it should be written from customer's viewpoint. Acceptance criteria are usually defined during a product backlog grooming sessions, but before development begins. So let's see some of the types and structure for acceptance criteria. Mostly there are of two types: scenario oriented and rules based checklist. In scenario oriented, we have a format as in given, when, then template. So it is like given some precondition, when a criteria of certain action is taken, then I expect certain result. For example, given I am on my bank's login page. When I enter my correct credentials, then I should be able to log in. So this was scenario oriented acceptance criteria. Second one is rules based checklist. These are like normal bullet points such as a verification list, with each to be ticked before acceptance criteria is met. Example, like login and password field should be editable. Password should be 10 characters long. It should be masked. After 3 attempts, it should be locked for 24 hours. So these are some of the types of how acceptance criteria can be defined. So that's all for now on acceptance criteria. We'll keep talking, keep watching, and do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.